I signed the client up a few months ago, and I want to tell you a little bit about the case. The case was virtually no damage done to his vehicle. The guy at fault backed up into him, some damage to the truck's bumper that the at-fault driver was driving, and only damage to my client's license plate. Now, that's not much impact. That's the bad news. And so when I signed him up, I told him, you know, this is probably going to be major problems with this case because this is a low impact case. Well, two good things happened. One, he had a good doctor. And number two, the straight shooter, and he was employed. And the doctor diagnosed that he had a pretty serious low back problem, and he wound up getting injections and everything. Two, his insurance company made him see a doctor, and the other doctor agreed that he was injured. So we had low impact, we had two people saying he was injured, and his medical bills were roughly $10,000, counting injection, therapy, and everything else. Now, when he came in, I told this is going to be a problem case, and it is a problem case. So he says to me, and this is the interesting thing, that he's having all these problems and it's going to go on, although his doctor didn't say it. His doctor said he was 85% better. And I explained to him that in a situation like that, that we try not to take those cases to court because we don't win. The insurance companies will spend $50,000 to defeat those claims. If they can settle it for 10 or 12, they really fight them. So we told him that if he didn't want to settle this case for a reasonable amount of money, that we couldn't help him. And he said, well, I remember you told me that when you came in. And so he authorized us to make an offer on the case for $20,000 plus his medical, and we've just done it. Now, we gave him a value of less than 20, and we're going to find out pretty quick. If the insurance company comes back with a $2,000 offer, that means they want to go to trial. If they come back with a 5 or 8 or something like that because of the two doctors, then we'll probably be able to get it settled because we'll counter and everything. So the point of this video blog is that low impact cases are very difficult to get any kind of money. Now, that doesn't mean they should give up hope, but if you have one, you really ought to talk to a lawyer, and the lawyer can tell you pretty quickly what he can do for you, because he should know or she should know if they're experienced.